ST Hi-Tec was started by Soichi Tate, so it's been around since early 2000s. Soichi Tate started the shop. He was a famous tuner from Japan, and so he started it off back in the day. All of my cars I've ever tuned, all my GDRs, were tuned at ST Hi-Tec. So ST Hi-Tec was, to me, like the dream GDR shop. 2016, we purchased the shop off Soichi. From that day onwards, the shop, we just basically outgrew our old shop. Our old shop was a very small shop, as you see in your Motive 29. So basically, we outgrew it and we needed a bigger shop, and we needed a more upmarket shop, a flasher shop, basically just a better shop in general. Jackie from J-Tune, he's an established workshop, performance shop, been around for years as well. So I've known Jackie for a long time. Particularly at the time, we needed a new tuner. Jackie was at the time moving out of his shop, and then I come up with this idea, hey mate, let's team up. Two superpowers combined was what we thought would be great, you know? Oh, it's huge for us. The shop has just taken off. It's just unbelievable, the amount of traffic flow through the shop. We're building everything from Hondas to Subarus to GDRs to tuning Euros, building some big kilowatt Euro cars. It's been a just absolute, you know, blessing for him to come on board. Jackie, to me, as we call him, Jackie Chan. So he is the international tuner of the highest standard, and it's just been so great to collaborate with a man of that much, you know, technical know-how. Well, we always like to give back to the community as well. We try and help people out that are, you know, young up-and-comers, even other shops. We help out some of the guys from other shops who want to build their reputations up. We collaborate with a lot of shops. We collaborate with, in this area alone, probably 6 shops, from engine builders to other performance GDR shops. So we're a pro dealer for Dodson Motorsport. We believe they're the best parts for R35 GDRs. So our latest little project was the RB30 block brace. So that's been our 4 years in development, and we've finally got it to where we want it. We're very happy with it, and we have it on some big kilowatt cars right now. So the block brace, we believe, is world-class and up with the best in the world of the block braces for the RB engine. We have those, we have the oil caps, we have the R35 RB conversion coil packs, and we just want our own little unique signature range of parts for our RBs that we can try, test, prove the results of them. There's a few more products coming out, so watch this space on that.
I started back in high school. I started tuning my own car when I was like 16. I worked for Honda during the week. After hours, I worked for other performance shops. J-Tune started actually was from a car club. I've got customers all around the world at the moment, from Hong Kong, China, Fiji, America, and also Canada. Few in Europe. Yeah, we cover pretty much everything, like from circuit racing, endurance, drag, drift, all sorts. There's new excitement when the two companies merge, you know, because we've only been together for 6 months. We actually outgrown our shop already. We needed more staff and needed more space, but we didn't think it was going to be this huge. This dyno room is actually 6 different dyno rooms put together, because I've been working at different dyno places. So I've taken all the advantage of each room and put into one. The mainline dyno was pretty much bought for our drag car, because there's nothing that can handle the power. I'll tune anything, as long as it works and we can get into it. I don't mind it. Everything is fun, you know. Motec is probably my favorite, you know. If you know what you're doing, and if you buy the full package, have all the sensors, you just can't go wrong. With our parts support around the world, we can pretty much put any build together. We're not really limited to anything. We've got in-house fabrication, we've got in-house tuning, wiring. Pretty much we cover everything.